Good afternoon, everyone. I am Amit Mate, the founder and CEO of GMAC Intelligence. And I welcome you all to the session on building agentic applications for the edge. And so what I'll do today is walk you through a GMAC's journey in building real-time multimodal vertical agents on low-power edge platforms. And what makes this space interesting is the fact that in order to implement this, you need to integrate a bunch of state-of-the-art AI models across multiple modalities on a resource-constrained low-power edge platform. And the kind of engineering challenges it throws. So I'm going to walk you through some of the innovative solutions that GMAC has built to tackle these. And hopefully those of you who are building like commercial grade vertical agents will find some of these solutions useful. Okay, so what I've done is in this presentation, it's divided into three parts. First, we'll cover what we mean by vertical agents and low power edge platforms. And then I'm going to dive into details of one particular vertical agent, which is QSR bot, a drive-through agent. And we'll cover the high-level AI, non-AI requirements, the various workflows, system architecture. And then we'll drill into details of one particular workflow. So we'll look at how you assemble that from scratch using state-of-the-art AI models without using any agentic frameworks. And finally, what I want to leave you is with what I think is the holy grail of vertical agents on the edge.